Want this text in CapCut?
Abby was here earlier. Where'd she go?
Open a new project with a black background and add the audio of your edit.
Abby was here.
Find where you want the text and crop the audio to that part, then slide it to the start of your project. Now write your text. Use this font. Choose these animations. Write your next text. Choose this font. Now copy what I do to add the question marks. Now add this overlay. Link will be in the comments. Follow my steps. Slow it down if it's too short and crop it if it's too long. Now export. Now go back to your project and export it without the overlay. Open Node Video and follow my steps. Copy my glow settings for the white text. Export it. Now replace the white text with the colored one and copy my settings. Then export it. Now follow my steps to add the text to your edit. Now add the text overlays. Make sure you select the white one first so that it'll be behind the colored text. Go to Splice on the green text and choose Filter, then choose Slide on the white one. On the white text, go to Adjust and flip the white graphs like I do. Add a second beat and adjust it based on how much text shadow you want. Now scale both the overlays to 100.